Hey guys, Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about decluttering and procrastination and how the two are combined. So we'll get right with it. So decluttering can be a lot of different things. Just clutter around you in your environment. A nasty desk that's not organized, or even your computer, your desktop, they can get totally obliterated with a bunch of stuff. And eventually, you have no more room on your desktop. And it's so funny that I'm actually doing a video about this today because my mentor and CEO of the company that I actually represent and am an affiliate for did a very similar video today himself. Sorry, David, but I had this one planned. Anyway, I read a book, and it's been about a year ago. It's called The $1,000,000 Day. And it was a book written by Mark Hoverson. And if you don't know who that is, you can look him up. But actually, a couple of friends that I know that are marketers had chapters in here. So I really wanted to read the book. And they go into a deep dive of decluttering. And it's not just your environment, that's a big part of it. But it's decluttering what's going on here that causes procrastination for you to actually just put things off. And if you do that, you're just kind of like storing it back here in your mind. You know it's back there. You haven't really done anything about it yet, but you're still leaving it there, and it does come into play. Now, I left Texas a couple years ago, and I got rid of everything. I mean, no, I have no furniture, I have no appliances, I have no dishes, no silverware. I have a couple coffee cups because I'm a coffee drinker, and that's what I held on to. I have my computer, I have my clothes, and I live simple. My point is that in this book, they actually create 24 hours that you dedicate to getting rid of all this clutter. Now, that could be your garage, your car, your house, your closet, your desk, your things you put off like life insurance, your will, setting up an LLC, just things that you kind of need to do, but you just haven't taken the time to do so. So I really would recommend this book, $1,000,000 Day, and my friend Victor Dadage has a chapter in there, and he explains his story and how this has really helped him, and it kind of frees you. So you're not dealing with that. It's gone. It's over. You don't have to look at it anymore. You don't have to actually keep it stored back there in your mind that this is something you need to take care of and that you just haven't taken care of it yet. Now, I know that it sounds pretty intense, and it is if you really want to go and dedicate a full 24 hours into getting rid of all the clutter in your life. Because if you don't, it is going to cloud you, and it's going to stay there, and you're going to be going through some further procrastination, not just from these things you haven't done, but you'll still move forward in your life procrastinating about lots of other different things that may come up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would appreciate it if you would actually subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am going to list another book. I will put the information on the $1 Million Day in there, but I want to also let you know that I have a free book. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, and I will also put that link in the description. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye now.